sky at dusk. Mesmerizing views. Sunset institute.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to go weld the diff on the AU Falcon. I've also got front pads and rotors, and then we're also going to do the lower ball joints in the front of the AU.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is he my friend or my foe? I'm off the exit, draw. Yeah, she give me that claim as well. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on block, Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. She wanna give me like candy.
It smells like cheese. It actually smells like cheese.
Stuck to everything.
Last time we were doing anything with fire, we almost burnt the 31 down.
Number one priority.
Emergency.
308s, mate.
Just all for the gram.
Not that much. Jesus. Oh, drain it, James. Water, drain it.
Hopefully you got that on record.
I always forget about this.
He's putting a lot of break. I was watching it live. This is going to be very interesting. Sure enough.
Looks mint to me.
It smells good.
Doesn't it? So we've got some 308s in this bag, girl, so they're definitely going to have to be ripped out and changed. The trusty old nut. And the nut behind the welder. Shane's on fire. I repeat, Shane, you're on fire.
You said it, I started feeling
One more to go. Let the mad scientist do it. Get another nut. Fill up with Weld and she's good to party. She hot. Ah, so satisfying. Welded the diff, done. 3. Come on, muscles.
Look at the heat.
That much? Oh yeah, holy shit. That's what I, no, but then they're finding, oh yeah, they definitely need to be, replaced.
My ready to
True, and that's just the movement in it. And what, these fall out? Yeah, wow. No like smacking it out. So now we're onto the press. Struggling to get it out with that as well. Yeah, we're going back to the good old bashing technique. Fucking about time. Stubborn prick. Freshies.
They're under $100.
Not bad. Alright, time for a good old test drive. Let's see if these welds will hold up.
There she is.
Is that fucking open diffing? Is that an axle already?
Well, tyre let go. It's only chunked down the centre. What a piss take. And it snapped already. It snapped an axle, or we broke a weld because it doesn't chirp, it doesn't do anything. Pegs literally snapped leaving the driveway, I reckon, because that was that noise. Done. definitely not locked anymore, lads.
I'm telling you, those fighting in the milk.
Oh yeah, I know. I saw the force and the heat you put into it.
Can't believe.
All right, quick report. Brakes are good. Stops. Drives me in. We welded the diff. I went off the. Must have gone off the driveway a little bit, and it's just gone clonk. And I was like, oh, okay, no worries. It's just going to be like, because it's welded, you know, it makes a bit of noise. Anyway, we went to go do some stuff, and it was just pegging hard. It still slid pretty well, but it was just pegging like a bitch. So either we snapped I'm pretty sure we snapped an axle, which is kind of depressing since we just welded it about 2 minutes prior. I'm probably just going to get some diff gears for it, spool it, so we don't have to worry about it ever again. But yeah, unless we just do the axle. But we'll see how we go with these diff gears. They might be alright. I do want to drive it. Before I spend any money on diff gears and whatnot, but see how it goes. These things happen. Obviously it wasn't meant to be. Everyone's doing skids all over the place. Commodores. Let's see if we'll do a Moe. Oh, Commodores, I'll tell you what. But yeah, at the end of the day, these things happen. Welding the diff isn't the correct way of locking a diff. It's spoiler or getting LSD, but it's a cheap way, so thought we'd give it a shot. It broke, it is what it is. I'm gonna put it up on the jack stands tomorrow and just have a look and see if they spin. It might just be an axle, might be easy as long as it hasn't twisted the axle and snapped, but it sounded like it just snapped pretty cleanly. So yeah, we'll go from there and have a look. Speedy Gonzalez. But yeah, thank you for watching. We'll do a bit of a review of kind of what happened, the damage report when we get probably next video. But yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more AU content. I'm gonna get this thing being a pretty cool street drift car, or like a track car with Rego. That's kind of the plan anyway. So yeah, keep watching and stay up to date with the good old AU Falcon.